Hello my loves, welcome back to the channel. The name is Palesa M and let's get ready with me a hair edition. Today's video is sponsored by Wiggins Hair. They sent me this gorgeous wig and it came with an HD cap, a lace mount band, an edge comb, some lashes, and these lace adhesive straps that you use to secure your wig. I'm still learning how to use these, by the way, but this is the wig. It is a glueless wig again, and as you can see, it's got this nice big strap. The lines you're seeing are made of silicone, so it grips, and this wig is not going to fall off my head even without the glue. Okay, so to show you guys how easy it is to shop for this wig, I'm going to show you. If you go under this video, go directly to the place where it says direct link to the wig and you click that link. I like to open mine in Safari, and this is what the page is going to look like when it loads. I'm doing this because a lot of people ask how to get the wigs that I review. So it's as easy as going into the description box and clicking on the link. The hair is from Wiggins Hair, and this is what the wig looks like. I have the 7x4 HD closure glueless wig, and these are just the pictures that they show you, and it comes pre-cut. It is already bleached, like it doesn't need any work. So mine is the 22-inch wig, 7x4 ready to go wig, and mine is natural density. 250 density is quite full, and then they have super thick as well. Then you will make your selections and go on ahead and check out, and then you can enjoy your hair. I mean, here's Bali with the plug. So if you scroll down further, you will see clients have attached pictures, and there are reviews that you can read through just to be sure, and also see what different people bought. I hope this helps. So I'm going to go ahead, put the wig nice and securely on my head. I am a medium cap size, and I know this because I learned how to measure my head, the circumference. If you want to know how to do that, let me know. I'll include it in like a vlog. So this is the 22-inch ready to go glueless loose curl wig. As you can see, the curls are nice and soft. It is jet black, and that lace just melted almost immediately when I put it on my head. So I'm going ahead putting some wax stick in it. I am going to go with a side part today. I've been doing a lot of middle parts, so I'm just going to give that a rest, and I'm just going to iron it flat in the beginning until it sits flat. Let me tell you, I am really obsessed with glueless wigs because you just throw it on your head and you're out the door. You look fabulous, and it's such, you know, minimal work and stress. So yeah, I am just trying to position it right. If you see the lace lifting, you just want to pull the strap tighter. I'm going ahead with some scrunching mousse. I'm applying it to the loose waves, and then I'm going to go ahead and brush it out with a brush once it's dry, just to fluff them up. It looks so good, you guys will see. I'm going in with my detangling brush and just making sure that I don't have any knots, but I'm also trying to define the waves. And I'm just going to do the other side. I'm using the Care Scrunching Mousse. I'm just applying that all over, especially at the top, because you know, sometimes we get like flyaways. So I'm just taming flyaways, but also giving these loose waves some definition. And once that's done, I'm just going to go ahead and brush through it again. I'm going to show you guys how it looks like wet, and then I'm going to go about my business, let it dry for a bit, and I'm going to come back and fluff these curls out, literally just scrunching the bottoms there. And this is what it looks like when it is dry and I go ahead and comb through it again. I mean, look at those luscious waves, you guys. I'm sorry I had to change from my camera to my cell phone because my camera batteries were dead, But yeah, how gorgeous is this hair, you guys? This is the 22-inch glueless ready to wear wig from Wiggins Hair. I'm going to have all the details for you in the description box down below, but I would highly recommend this wig. It is just so beautiful. This is a few days later. I decided to wear it in a middle part because I'm obsessed with middle parts. Again, I went in with the scrunching mousse. I'm literally waiting for the waves to kind of dry, but it looks good either way, honestly speaking. I love it when it's all fluffed up and bouncy, but this hair is really gorgeous. Thank you so much to Wiggins Hair for sponsoring this video. The hair is absolutely amazing. For all the details, please go ahead and check in the description box. Leave me a comment. I will see you soon.